To start working with Python, let's look into the three modes of Python. Now, Python gives you three modes to work. These are the three modes: interactive mode, script mode, and your IDLE. The interactive mode is also called the interactive interpreter. The script mode, called as a Python scripts, you write Python scripts and execute them in your command prompt. The IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment, which is a graphical user interface provided by Python 3 and higher versions. And it's again a script based version. You create Python scripts and run from the GUI. GI stands for Graphical User Interface. So let's start with the first mode. That's interactive mode. So first go to your drive, go to the folder where you have downloaded your Python, give a shift and right click. Click on open command window here. Look at your command window here. Now, in your command window, see to that you are in the path where you have downloaded your Python. Just type Python, give enter. You get your prompt here. Now this three greater than symbols shows a prompt. Now this environment is called as a Python shell. Now this is where you do your interactive mode of programming in Python. Interactive and interpreter, right? So interactive in the sense it interacts with you to give a result, and it interprets the queries given and gives the answers to them. So if I need to know what is 5 plus 4, just give 5 plus 4, gives me the result 9. 5 and 7 plus 10 gives me the result 17. In case I want to print something in Python, give a print statement. So print statement, just a print, open parenthesis, inside your double quotes, give the string that you would like to display. So Python accepts strings enclosed in single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. This is your interactive mode. To work in your script mode, you have to write Python scripts, save them, and run it in the command prompt. So go to your start menu, you got your notepad. I just do a simple print statement in my script. Hello, this is Python script. So I just want to print this. Go to your file, save as, save it in the folder where you have your Python. And most important, give your file name, dot extension must be py. Save. With your command prompt, click shift, right click, open command window here. Now to execute the script that we saved here, Python first dot py. You can see we have this print statement in our script. Hello, this is Python script. So this is script mode. You can write your Python scripts in Notepad and execute them in your command prompt. The next mode is your ideally integrated development and learning environment, which provides a graphical user-based interface where you can write your Python scripts and execute them. It's the most convenient and user-friendly way. Moreover, it's available only with the higher versions of Python than 3. Python 2 doesn't have support and ideally. Python 3 and higher versions provide ideally. To access your ideally, go to your start menu. Click on your ideally. So you get a Python shell. Your Python shell, you get your Python prompt here. Now again, this you can use this as an interactive mode. So to write your Python scripts, open your file, give new file, you get an editor. And the editor, type the program. I just type a statement here. Hello, this is ideally. Now go to your file, save the file. Again, see to that your file is in the path where your Python has been downloaded. So save it. And we save it as id1.py. So see to that your file name extension is .py. Save. Go to your run. Click on run module. So you get your output in the Python shell. So this is your Python shell. Right? When you click open new file, you get your editor where you can type your program, save the program in the working folder of Python. Go to your run, give run module, get your output here. Now this is how you run your Python program in IDLE. So these are the three ways you can work with Python: interactive mode, script mode, and IDLE. So ideally the most convenient one and most user friendly way to work with Python. You can get started with working on Python. Thanks for viewing. Kindly like, share, and subscribe.